ESCS pipe coating systems produce bespoke equipment ideal for unique projects, all designed and manufactured in-house. Based in Middlesbrough, our experienced team is here to help every step of the way, from concept to project realisation. Introducing from ESCS PCS, Robotic Pipe Solutions. Our pipe cleaning technology supports blasting to SA 2.5. We also offer pipe cleaning by ultra-high pressure water, dry ice and abrasive blasting using various media. As specialists in pipe coating, we can coat any size pipe robotically to negotiate bends both vertically and horizontally, as well as straight sections of pipe ranging from 250mm to 1250mm, using a variety of plural and single component products, including epoxies, polyurethanes and polyureas, as well as many others. Using our robotic system, we are able to inspect, clean and coat pipelines across all sectors, whether it be potable water, oil and gas, offshore, onshore, marine, raw water or sewers. We also offer a full QA package with digital backup. Contact us now for an expert consultation.